we are told that we should be the light of the world. So in one way or another, I'm bringing the light into the world through my work.
They motivate me to do plumbing. Like, they motivate me on the importance of doing a great job, the importance of being a good plumber, and the importance of having a passion in my job.
1 week we are in class studying, and the other 3 weeks are at site getting the actual job.
You gain more skills in the field, and after 2 years of learning and being in the field, you get experience of what you've been doing, unlike going to a normal system of education in Kenya.
You're doing new things every day, you're rotating, you're doing drainage today, tomorrow you're doing PPR, building, the next day you're installing toilets. It's fun.
My name is Obedoyaro.
Joan Kechik.
Lucy Matani Kibanda. Eunice Makena Gitonga.
My name is Timothy Karevi. I'm pursuing plumbing because back in Kitale, finding plumbers is hard because there's a shortage of plumbers there. So when you want something done, you have to wait for a long period of time before someone comes and helps you out.
This has impacted my life. Firstly, I'm kind of employed, I'm working. I get some stipend, which is helping me to cater some of my needs.
With this program, I have found myself. I have been empowered, and I'm learning new things that are making me feel like I'm someone.
I see myself as a plumber who has gained skills, who is ready for the job market.
When I'm done with my work and I see people smiling because of the work that I've done, it makes me very happy.
After finishing here, I would like to retain my current job at my company.
So you see, their level of competence has risen up. The way they are delivering their skills to the industry is exemplary. In fact, they are envied. I could say the companies should come for them.
I'll be able to get a job as a plumber in any of the company in Kenya or either outside Kenya, and I'll be able to have a better future.